everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave Forecast video day. My name is Eric. Today is the 22nd of August around 5:30 p.m. New York Times. And here we go, guys, with another video. In today's video, we're going to explain to you guys why being so bullish the dollar is a mistake. You need to be a little defended by why being so bullish is a mistake. We in Elliott Wave Forecast believe in that there is only one market and one market only. If you're trading the silver trade, you need to understand the dollar trade. If you're trading the silver trade, you need to understand the dollar yen trade, because at the end it's only one market. We believe in the sequences of the whole market and the sequences of each individual instrument. Over the last few years, Elliott Wave Forecast understand and being known around the planet with the idea that we bearish the dollar. The reality is that we do understand the natural flow of the market. And I know that it's very popular, everyone, to be bullish the dollar, but that's why that trade is meant to fail down the road. If we take a look here on this chart, is the silver trade, and we're going to take a look at silver from the green line and the bottom, and that green line in silver is the zero line. So technically, at the levels that silver is as we speak, silver has two choices: either it disappears off the planet or silver is going to rally. So like the S&P in 2008, 2009, the S&P dip. Everybody was calling a crash, another crash. But the reality is that the S&P won't worth below zero. So the opportunity of S&P in 2008 to dip to 600 is a gift. Now, we're using the same mentality over here to understand and see how this works. And looking at that, we're going to take silver from the zero line. Silver, we're going to take it here, and we see how from the silver line, it has done 3 waves to the outside. This we're labeling in red, 1, 2, and 3. That's the sequence. This lead was in 5 waves, and assuming 7 swings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It makes a 1 cycle, a 2 cycle, and a 3 cycle. Technically, it's a W. Now, from that peak, silver makes the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, and a 7. So technically speaking, if we look at silver right here, silver bounce off the blue box. And the blue box is nothing more than when the cycle 1 related to the cycle 2 equal the cycle 3. So 1 and 3 equal to the 2. Now, what does that silver at 13 is telling me? Silver at 13 is telling me that when that cycle from the peak ended after 3 weeks, and I want to let you guys know that the peak in 2011 technically is the all-time peak in silver. So silver is trading 76.4% of the value that I have at one moment. That's what that retracement is. So when I look at the charts of silver, I say, I cannot be that bullish the dollar. Why? Because when I look at this that I'm going to show you guys now, I understand where I'm coming from. This is the dollar. Now let's look at the US dollar in 2011 here. We're going to put the US dollar here, and we're going to look at the peak on 2011. Look what the dollar did when silver dipped in 3 weeks. The dollar rally in 3 weeks. Interesting, right? Now, look from here how the silver drop, the dollar rally, and then the sideways move to the outside. And look at here how silver rallied and the dollar dropped. So how comes is silver is at the 76.4? It is 76.4 of this distance from the green line to the peak right there. Silver is at the it collects 3 sequence from here. I'm gonna be that bullish the dollar, and that's something that for the last year or the last 2 years we've been telling our members the best chance to buy or sell the US dollar, it is silver. Now for the last few years, like I say, we've been trying to not be bullish the dollar by understanding that the big cycle ended across the board. So having said that, let's see in 2000 over here, in 2012, 2011, these lows in silver, how the dollar looked right there. When we went over there, we're gonna take a look and we're gonna see how at that moment when the dollar, I'm gonna put the euro, which you guys gonna like it better. You guys gonna like it better. Allow me 1 second. We're gonna go here and we're gonna put the euro, and this is the euro dollar and silver. The euro dollar rally, silver rally. The euro dollar drop, euro dollar rally, drop, rally, silver peak. This is the peak on silver. Now the US dollar drop and hold the lows. And in 2012, we say, okay, there is a chance. 3 ways against the trend in the euro, 3 ways against the trend in silver at that stage to the 50 back over here. In other words, in 2012, silver reached almost the 50 back. So we say, okay, 3 ways here in sequence 1. Let's see what happened. And we were calling silver higher. Sorry, the dollar high, the euro higher, and silver higher. Silver rally over here and fell at this moment, break the lows. At that moment, we knew that the dollar was means to rally. And that's when we know that the euro fell over here. And we know that the euro, this is an Elliott Wave forecast chart of 2014, when we say that the euro goes to 111, 104 area. This is the chart. That's exactly what the euro did. So now the euro have 3 ways from here and silver have 3 ways from there. Only difference is that this is not the big sequence in the euro, but is the big sequence in silver, because silver is correcting the whole cycle from the zero. Euro is not. So what I'm trying to say, fellow traders, is don't be so bullish the dollar. And silver can be the door that is opening your eyes not to be so bullish the dollar. You need to be smart that the dollar can make another high. Possible, yes. It's a 50-50. But don't be so bullish, because silver is giving you a warning of what is coming. And that's the thing for today. If you like this video, I invite you guys all to try us for 14 days. This is how we see the market every single day in Elliott Wave forecast. This type of analysis, we don't call the dollar bullish because it's popular. We don't call the crash in the S&P because it's popular. We make sense of the market. Even when we run, we would rather be run with the logic. So this is the thing for today. Hope you see you guys around Elliott Wave forecast. Have a good day, everybody.